Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning English is Easy. I'm Anna, and today we're talking about something very important. Not grammar rules, not long words, but daily conversations you should know.
And I'm Tom. Hi, everyone. Yes, these are the conversations you hear every day, at home, at work, with friends, in shops, everywhere.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this episode, and share it with someone who is learning English. It really helps us.
And remember, your efforts will pay off. Even when English feels difficult, every small step makes you better.
So, today we're going to practice simple conversations you can use every day. You don't need perfect English, you just need clear and friendly sentences.
Let's start with the first conversation of the day, saying hello in the morning.
Yes, you wake up, you see someone, and you say, "Good morning."
And the other person says, "Good morning."
You can also say, "How are you?"
And the answer can be very simple. I'm good, I'm fine, or I'm okay.
Let's practice. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Perfect, easy, and natural.
Now let's talk about talking about your day. This is a very common daily conversation.
You can ask, how was your day?
And the answer can be good, busy, long, tiring, or not bad.
You can also add one small detail.
For example, it was busy but good.
Let's practice. How is your day?
It was long but okay. Short and clear.
Now let's talk about asking for help. We do this every day.
You can say, "Can you help me?"
Or, can you help me, please?
And the answer can be, "Yes, of course," or "Sorry, I can't right now."
Let's practice. Can you help me?
"Yes, of course." Very polite.
Now let's talk about asking simple questions. For example, asking where something is.
You can say, "Where is the bathroom?"
Or, where is the bus stop?
Or, "Where can I find the supermarket?"
Let's practice. Excuse me, where is the station?
Go straight and turn right. Simple directions are very common in daily life.
Now let's talk about shopping conversations.
When you enter a shop, the staff often say, "Can I help you?"
And you can answer, yes, please, or no, thank you, just looking.
Then you might ask, "How much is this?"
And the answer, it's 10 euros.
Let's practice. "How much is this?"
It's $15.
Okay, thank you.
Very natural.
Now let's talk about ordering food or drinks.
You can say, can I have a coffee, please?
Or, "I'd like a sandwich, please."
And when they bring it, you can say, thank you.
Let's practice.
Can I have a tea, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
Easy daily English.
Now let's talk about talking with friends.
A very common question is, "What are you doing today?"
And you can answer, I'm working, I'm studying, or I'm relaxing.
Or, "I'm meeting friends."
Let's practice. What are you doing today?
"I'm working this morning." Very useful sentence.
Now let's talk about making plans.
You can say, "Do you want to?"
For example, do you want to go for a walk?
Or, "Do you want to have lunch together?"
And the answer can be, yes, sure, or sorry, I can't.
Let's practice. "Do you want to get coffee later?"
Yes, that sounds good.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about likes and dislikes.
You can say, "I like coffee," "I love music," or "I don't like spicy food."
And you can ask, do you like? Let's practice. Do you like tea?
Yes, I like it. Very simple.
Now let's talk about daily problems.
For example, you can say, "I'm tired today," or "I'm busy," or "I don't feel well."
And the other person can say, I'm sorry, or take care, or I hope you feel better.
Let's practice. I'm very tired today.
I'm sorry to hear that.
These sentences help you sound kind and natural.
Now let's talk about asking for repetition. This is very important for learners.
You can say, sorry,
Or, can you repeat that, please?
or I don't understand.
Let's practice. The meeting is at 3.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Very useful.
Now let's talk about talking on the phone.
You can say, hello, this is Tom.
Or, hi, it's Anna.
And if the person is not available, you can say, can I leave a message?
Let's practice. Hello, this is Anna.
Hi, Anna, this is Tom.
Simple phone English.
Now let's talk about saying goodbye.
You can say bye, see you later, or have a nice day.
And the other person can say, you too.
Let's practice.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye. Very friendly.
Now let's put everything together in a longer daily conversation.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine. How was your day yesterday?
It was busy.
What are you doing today?
I'm working this morning and relaxing later.
Nice. Do you want to get coffee after work?
Yes, that sounds good.
Great. See you later.
See you.
This is Real Daily English.
Yes, and beginners can absolutely do this.
You don't need long sentences.
You don't need difficult words.
You just need practice.
And you are already practicing by listening to this podcast.
That's why your English will improve.
Step by step, day by day.
And remember, making mistakes is normal.
Mistakes help you learn.
So don't be afraid to speak.
Even simple English is good English.
Now let's do a few very short daily conversations to finish.
Okay. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Another one.
Can you help me?
Yes. Another one. Where is the bathroom?
Over there.
Another one. How much is this?
10 euros.
Another one. Do you want coffee?
Yes, please.
Perfect daily English.
Now, before we finish, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this episode, and share it with someone learning English.
And tell us in the comments, which daily conversation do you use the most?
We love reading your comments.
Thank you for listening today.
Keep practicing.
Keep learning.
And keep believing in yourself.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.